In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DOCX invoice templates in Xero accounting software. If you're looking to customize your invoices and add a personal touch to your brand, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. To begin, we'll navigate to the sales area. Take a look at the top bar on your Xero dashboard. You should see a menu option labeled Sales. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Sales Settings. This is going to be our starting point for customizing your invoice templates. Next, once you're in the sales settings, look for the option labeled Invoice Settings. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your invoices. This is where we'll be focusing on creating and customizing templates. Now, let's move on to creating your DOCX template. You'll see a button labeled New Branding Theme. But instead of clicking directly on it, look for a small caret icon right next to the button. Click on this icon, and it will expand with additional options. From these choices, select Custom DOCX. This option will enable you to create a document file that you can modify to suit your specific business needs. Once you've selected Custom DOCX, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your new branding theme. This title is important as it will help you identify your custom template within the system, especially if you plan to make multiple templates. Choose something descriptive that conveys the purpose of this particular template. With your title in place, the next step is downloading the template. Xero provides a sample template inside a zip file. Click the download button, and the zip file will be saved to your computer. Open the zip file, and you'll find the DOCX files inside. These files are where you can get creative and make the necessary adjustments to fit your brand. Whether it's altering the color scheme, adjusting the layout, or adding your company's logo, this is the ideal opportunity to make your invoices truly yours. After you've made all your desired changes to the DOCX file, it's time to upload the custom template back into Xero. Navigate back to where you downloaded the zip file. You should see an upload button, which you'll click to bring your modified template into Xero's system. Simply select the file on your computer, and Xero will handle the rest. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully created a customized DOCX invoice template in Xero. By following these steps, you've ensured that your invoices not only convey the necessary information, but also reflect the unique personality and professionalism of your business. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing!